There are some metrics that you track in QA, and also how can clients measure the results of quality analysts themselves?
Yeah, for the quality analyst processes, we always do evaluations. We check on the conversations coming in from the customer and then the agents. We also do validation on the surveys that they would encounter. There's also ways that we can do the necessary coordination with our stakeholders by doing monthly calibration. It's a collaboration with our team leaders, showcasing all of the necessary things that we've seen for a week, 2 weeks, or a month. I think in terms of both happier customers and happier agents would be showcasing what we call the wow factor. So this is quite new with the wow factor that we are launching.